Welcome to the Voice of Custom Coating. This is your 1-minute coater news. Good news about the industry slowdown. The finishing index reports first expansion in COVID era. New orders, production, and employment all reported expanding in August, fueling a broad-based rise in the finishing index. Michael Gutz, Chief Economist and Director of Analytics for Gardner Intelligence, reports that COVID-19's economic impact on the finishing industry has defied textbook examples of a recession due to its unique ability to shock both demand and supply. While in a classic recession, there is a reduction in the demand for goods, which lowers sales, COVID-19 has further reduced via disruptions in the supply chain. So there's been a willing demand in many cases, but not available product to sell. In either case, the drag on the economy is the same. The industry will need to speed up supplier deliveries along with continuous expansion of new orders for a successful recovery. You can find this article in the latest Product Finishings magazine, pfonline.com. I'm Kim Scott, and this has been your 1-minute coater news.